Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Zettle card reader. First, make sure your Zettle reader has at least a 25% charge. Next, download the Zettle Go app from your device's App Store. It's available for both Apple and Android devices. Finally, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone or tablet. This crucial step allows your device to discover and communicate with the Zettle reader, setting the stage for a smooth connection process. Let's get started. Now that your app is installed and Bluetooth is on, open the Zettle Go app and log in using your business credentials. Once inside, tap on the settings icon, usually found in the bottom right corner. From the settings menu, select card readers. Here, you will see a list of available Zettle reader models. Choose the one you are connecting, which should be clearly labeled. This step prepares your app to find your physical reader. With your app ready, it's time to activate the reader for pairing. Press and hold the power button on your Zettle reader for about 5 seconds until the indicator light flashes. Your device will then display a unique serial number. Crucially, verify that this number matches the one shown in your Zettle Go app. Once confirmed, tap the Connect button in the app to establish a secure Bluetooth link. You're almost ready to accept payments. To ensure everything is working perfectly, perform a small test transaction, perhaps for $1. This confirms your Zettle reader is fully connected and ready for business. If you experience any issues, first check that your reader is within 15 meters of your mobile device. Also, try restarting both your Zettle reader and your smartphone or tablet. Often, a simple restart can resolve minor connection glitches, getting you back to processing payments quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.